Hello, welcome to the science class. Okay, I am repeating the last class. Okay, I know some children don't understood. Okay, I am repeating once again. If you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can ask your Thai teacher. Right? Okay. So in the last class we discussed about genetic traits. Genetic traits. Genetic traits are some characters or some features that you got from your parents. Okay. Um, Sometimes you look like your father. For example, you look like your father, you have your father eyes, or you have your father hair, you have your mother's nose. Okay, that is called the trait that you got from your parents. Sometimes you will get some features or characters from your ancestors or grandparents. Ancestors means grandparents. Okay, or some people look like their father, or some people look like their mother, some people look like their grandparents, some people look like their uncles, aunts, other siblings. Okay, that is some characters or features that you got from your parents. Okay, when a baby is formed, some traits from the mother and some traits from the father are joined together to form the baby, right? Father traits and mother traits are joined together to form the baby. Okay, that is called the genetic traits. Parents pass their genetic traits to offsprings. Offsprings mean children through genes. Genes. Okay, genes are it's a character that controls. Okay, genetic traits means that is a trait that you got from your parents. Genes means this is a controlling. It's a controlling. For example, we have the laptop or we have the computer. We have to control by using our hand or by mouse, right? That way, the genetic traits are controlled by genes. Okay, genes. Genes control the genetic traits of children. Okay, to make them look like their parents. Okay, genes control to look like their mother or look like their father. Okay, that we discussed in the last class. And also we discussed what is a chromosomes and genes. We know every body is made up of cell. Not only our human, animals, plants, all are made up of cell. You know what is cell? Our body is made up of cell. Okay, this is called cell. Millions and thousands of cells are there in our body. Okay, this is a cell. Inside the cell, we have so many organelles like ribosome that you don't discuss. The center inside the cell, we have the center which is called the nucleus. Okay, nucleus. This is called the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have some thread-like structure. Thread. Okay, thread-like structure which is called the chromosome. You can see chromosome. Chromosomes are thread. Our dress is made up of thread. Okay, thread-like structure. You can see it's like a thread. Okay, thread-like structure which is present in the nucleus. Okay, which is present in the nucleus. And chromosomes are always found in pair. Pair means two. they are always found in pairs. Now the genes are present in the chromosome. You have confusion? Okay. Chromosome. Chromosome, they are thread-like structure located inside the nucleus of cell of both plants and animals. Okay. They are found in plants and they are found in animals also. Each chromosome is made up of proteins. Okay, proteins and DNA. Okay, and it has the genetic traits, or we can call it has genes in it. Okay, okay, we can see this is the detailed form. Every human body contains cell. Okay, this is called the cell. You can see cell cell. Inside the cell we have, this is called the nucleus. This is called the nucleus. Okay. Okay. Inside the nucleus we have this structure. It is always found in pair two. Okay, you can see 1, 2. Chromosomes are always found in pairs. Okay. This is the enlarged portion. Okay. When chromosomes look through microscope, you can see it is like a we call it as a double stranded. Okay, this is the enlarged view of chromosomes are always, you can see this is chromosomes are made up of proteins and DNA. Inside the chromosome we have the genes. Inside the chromosome we have genes, right? Okay. The genes are controlling the genetic trait. Genes are controlling the genetic traits. Okay, this is the picture that is in your textbook. I told you chromosomes are always found in pairs. So you can see 1, 2 pairs. In human body, we have about 23 pair, which is about 46 number. 23 into 2, 46. 46 number of chromosomes are there in our human body. Okay, this is example, only one example. Okay, this is a pair of chromosome. Pair of chromosome means 2. We have inside the chromosome we have genes. Genes are also paired. You can see this is the chromosome, one chromosome and second chromosome. Okay, you can see the first chromosome is written as capital A and the second chromosomes are written as small letter A. Okay, and this is the first trait that controls the face, how the baby look like. Okay, that is the face, the gene that control our face. Chromosomes are always found in pairs and genes are also found in pairs. Okay, okay. This is gene that control face, that is capital A and small a. Second trait is earlobe. I told you earlobe. Earlobe, some have free earlobe and some have attached earlobe. I have free earlobe. Earlobe means this portion is called earlobe. So capital B is controlling our ear lobe and small b. Okay, that is always found in pairs. And the third trait is that controls our hair, how the hair look like. Is it will be straight or it will be curly? Okay, that is the gene. I have curly hair because my father has curly hair, but my mother has a straight hair and my father has a curly hair. So I got the trait from my father, which is the curly hair. You know, okay? And I have the nose, this is a long nose. My father has a long nose, but my mother has a small nose. I got the trait from my father. Right? You got it? Okay, that's the third trait, to control the hair. Okay, capital C and small c. Okay, this is the chromosome and this is the genes. Okay, capital A and small a, that is called the genes. Okay. Okay, we got what is a chromosome and what is a gene. Chromosomes are always found in pairs. Genes are also found in pairs. In human beings, we have 23, 23 pairs, which is about 46 numbers of chromosomes are there in our human body. Okay, you can see here this is the father and this is the mother. We are preparing to deliver a baby. Okay, baby. They want a baby. So the father has sperm and mother has egg cell. Okay. When father's sperm and egg cell they join or they fuse, okay, to become a baby. Okay, this is the blue. You can see the blue color. This is the father chromosome. The purple color, you can see the purple color. This is the mother chromosome. Okay, we have 23 from father and 23 from mother. Okay, they got fertilization means joining. Okay, fertilization means sperm and egg cell join to get a zygote. This is called zygote. This is the baby. Okay, this is the baby. So baby must get trait from father and also from mother. You can say this is the baby. Okay, this blue color is from father and this purple color from mother. So the baby got the genetic traits from father and also from mother. Okay, you, okay, for example me, I got genetic traits from mother and I got genetic traits from my father. I have some characters of my father and some characters of my mother. Okay, so I look like more my father. Okay, like you can also think what all traits or characters you got from your father and what all you got from your mother. For example, so you don't get from father and mother, you can get from your grandparents. Sometimes you get from a grandparents, sometimes your uncles, aunts, siblings. Okay, okay, this is the cells of the child. Okay, have the chromosomes from both parents, from mother and also from father. This is called the genes. Okay, capital A and small a. Always genes are found in pairs. One must be capital, another must be small letter. I will discuss that about next. Okay, this is the father. Father has the sperm. This is the mother. Mother has the egg. When the father and the mother fuses, they will get a child, which is a female child. They got both the characters from father and mother. Okay, so that's all about the chapter or the topic today. So next class we can discuss about what is a dominant and recessive. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye bye.